Today's word is to. T-O-O. To. Can you say it? To. Superb. To means also or as well. Listen. I want to come too. She is happy and I am too. Can I have some too? Say it with me. Too.